Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. Next week, Shib will skyrocket. The date of Shurum's release has just been revealed. Shiba Inu news today. Shiba Inu is a 2-year-old meme currency project that is gradually developing into an independent ecosystem. The success of the Do-themed coin might greatly speed up the adoption of cryptocurrencies. In this video, we will discuss how Shib will soar next week. The date of Shurum's release has just been revealed. Remember to give today's Shiba Inu news a huge thumbs up. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu, price forecasts, and professional analysis without additional advertising, please share and subscribe to the channel. Now let's start the video. Shiba Inu's price may be suffering from the current crypto winter, but its ecosystem's expansion efforts are undoubtedly not affected by this most recent action. The Shiba Inu Metaverse development team has revealed Tech Trench. The team said in a blog post on Wednesday that the goal of the Tech Trench Hub was to create an immersive experience that showcased the various stages of development for specific technologies from ancient times to the current hyper-technological world. The new concept artwork aims to show how its metaverse will look. Lessons learned from the innovative and daring journey and a stronger connection with cultural reassurance are made possible by the blog post read on this hub. Shib's community and initiative have persevered over time. The hub, which was developed in collaboration with a top visualization studio on the 3rd floor, will contribute to the preservation and display of cultural learning opportunities for everyone who visits and will assist to define the future of decentralized ecosystems and educational foundations. The hub, which is depicted in black and white drawings, incorporates architectural designs from more than 6 different places throughout the world, such as the Roche Learning Center in Switzerland, Yale and Princeton universities in the United States, Tübingen University, and M. Geiken Koken Tower in Japan. The most recent announcement coincides with developers LeFrog's ongoing projects to join the Shibuya Metaverse, which will be the pinnacle of Shiba Inu's history as a community. Earlier this week, the team unveiled Scenic Dunes, a new concept art that would function as a sort of oasis with a massive shaped environment of an adventurous and modern place complete with glitzy architecture and cooling today's waters. In the meantime, the price of the ship has remained suppressed as a crypto contagion, despite recent announcements by ship developers stoking investors. Shoshi Kusama, the ecosystem's lead developer, recently stated that he is focused on Shurum and hinted at a mysterious but potentially bullish milestone. Initial design approved. Now I can double down, let the debris show itself as the flow of kindness and truth washes over the world. Kusama tweeted that there would be some big news on Shibari, or the Shiba Eternity 2 mobile game. The price of the top meme token, Rabbit Hole, has dropped about 12% in the last week, although it may rise as the market calms down and the Shibari launch approaches at the time of writing. As the psychological level at 0.00000010 was broken, the move accelerated even more during the week, though there was still some distance. The price of Shibu was trading at 0.912, after dropping 1.27% in the previous day. Traders should be aware that 0.507 could be in the cards and possibly print a new multi-year low in its existence in the coming weeks. Traders were given a reprieve from that situation with the sudden default of FTX, while the crypto asset class was still trembling on its foundation. Consequently, a large cryptocurrency broker called Genesis halted repayments and withdrawals to prepare for the impending economic crash. The dust will need to settle, but if more ship traders suffer losses as a result of the FTX crisis, this is the final blow. Shib is therefore not in a good position because its general moniker has some bad thoughts and implications. Should the dust settle into next week and the upcoming weeks as the FTX contagion is contained, the price of Shibu would drop further and hit that 0.507 before testing and printing new lows. This would make sense given that the Relative Strength Index RSI is trading very close to the oversold level and is poised for a bounce higher, which could mean that the price of Shiba Inu can jump above the monthly S1 support level and reside near 0.00000010 before rising higher on the back of more tailwinds. Whether they insist on being listed on Robinhood or persuade McDonald's to accept it as a form of payment. A feeling of community is essential to the expansion of the Shib. Ben Casson, head of research and strategy at Axe, pointed out that the Shib coin is a meme coin and embraces that since it operates on an Ethereum platform, it currently uses the proof of work or P consensus mechanism and will eventually switch to the proof of stake or POS consensus mechanism. Additionally, the community has always come together to support the growth of Shib, and it has also become home to a sizable community of NFT artists who incorporate the Shiba Inu breed of dogs into their artwork. The impending Ethereum 2.0 transition will undoubtedly have an impact on the currency's growth as well, but we must recognize that analyst forecasts of the market frequently turn out to be inaccurate because analysts are not always able to predict events like political or environmental crises. Before investing in a cryptocurrency, especially one as volatile as a Shib, it is advisable for investors to do their own research. For example, a Chainly Block Spot stated that after examining Shib prices and market fluctuations, experts predict that Shib could go as high as 0.548 and as low as 0.000004183. Its potential return on investment for the year is predicted to be 122%, with its average price staying at 0.0000004335. According to some cryptocurrency experts, the price of Shiba coins may reach a new high in 2025. On the other hand, even though they anticipate that enough tokens will be burned this year, they are not optimistic about the price of Shiba rising in 2022. They predict that the price of Shiba will reach a maximum of 1,928 and a minimum of 0.0000009839, respectively, with an average price of about 1,152. Shoshi Kusama, the primary developer of Shiba Inu ecosystems, proudly states in his Twitter account that he is entirely focused on Shibin. On Wednesday night, the enigmatic programmer revealed something that the Shib army had been anticipating for a long time, according to the original design approval. Additionally, Mr. Kusama stated that it's time to double down. The Layer 2 solution, which the Shib programming team is now evaluating, was initially tested on Shiba Eternity, a collectible card game that was released on October 6, 2022. In the end, Sharam is summed up as the flow of love and truth that sweeps over the planet. A 1,100-page official player's guide for Shiba Eternity was recently written by Shoshi KZ. The popular card game's mobile version sets the stage for future Shoshi NFTs, even though the blockchain version hasn't been released yet. However, the Shib developer team is working on other projects in addition to Sharam. The Memcoin's own Web 3.0 project, Shib the Metaverse, is also moving forward in collaboration with the Third Floor TTF, while Shiba Eternity is being developed by Playzite Studios. The Layer 2 upgrade, which powers all three of Shib's upcoming projects, is being developed in collaboration with XF Fund breaking hashtag. Sharam depends on XFund for hashtag shibaswap, hashtag Shib everlasting, hashtag Shib Ashwell Pals, and the Metaverse to work at the Lord Gotti November 16, 2022, according to a Chainly blog article. Ships will trade at an average price of 0.00030921 in 2030, with maximum and minimum prices of 0.035,649 and 0.29857, respectively. The potential return on investment, ROI, for ships in 2030 is estimated to be 2,878 per year. There are valid reasons why the price of ships may rise on the charts. For example, many people think that if users burn enough tokens, the acceptance of cryptocurrencies will inevitably rise. Having said that, the memcoin must also develop a variety of use cases. That concludes today. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. To view our most recent content, please share and subscribe to the channel.